Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna talk about RGB LED strip. I I have not purchased them online, but uh, I've got them for rupees 700, rupees 350 each. Uh, these these come in 5 meters. So I've got two 5-meter strips, that is 10 meters, because I wanna attach them. I wanna stick them on my ceiling. Which is approx 10 meters. So I have to buy two 5 meters strip, because I was not getting 10 meters full strip, so I had to buy 5 meters, two 5 meter strips. So this is the strip, as you can see. So let's open them up. This is the remote that they have given. So this is the 5-meter strip, as you can see. This is a waterproof one. Well, this is not a Wi-Fi enabled RGB strip, because this is a simple one which you control with the help of a remote. This remote, they've also given you a power adapter. This is the driver. This is the driver. This is the connector. You have to connect the RGB LED strip with this. So let me connect it. I've connected. So and this is the power adapter, they say. So let me open this up. I'm gonna plug this in my socket, which is the AC main socket, 220 volts. Okay, so you got the DC connector here. You have to connect this here. Next, you plug this in your 220 main supply. There you have it. This glows very well. You can change the color as per your requirement. So this is on, this is off, and turning on. I would like to show you the red. This is the green. This is the blue, and you can change any colors like I am changing here, as you can see. This is the purple, this is the navy blue one. So this is the white. As you can see, the white is pretty good. This is the warm white, and I'll go with the modes. This is a flash, as you can see, and this is the strobe. Okay, and this is the fade. So it's fading. The modes are quite beautiful, and this is smooth. I don't know what will happen. Pretty good. So this is a 5 meters LED strip. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join this 5 meters extra with this LED strip, 5 meters LED strip, which is glowing right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join it. Now the question is how I'm gonna join it. I hope they have given me a connector. Yes, so I've got this connector. This is a male to male connector, as you can see. If you don't get with the package, if you don't get this with the packaging, you can buy this from an electronic shop. It will cost you about 5 rupees. You don't get this material loose, you have to buy the whole strip, so that will cost you about 5 rupees. So now what I'm going to do is I'll take the strip which is not glowing right now, the other 5 meter strip. So now I'm going to connect this with the male to male connector. This is a female one, this is a male one, so I'm going to just insert this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other end of the strip which is glowing right now, which is glowing. So I'm going to take this strip. This is also a female one, as you can see. So I'm going to take this and insert it here. So now you see the other strip is also glowing. So it's time to control with the remote. So I'll first turn it off with the help of a remote. So you can see the off button here. I'm going to turn it off. So it's turned off. Now I'm going to turn it on again. It's turned on. I'll show you the white light. It's pretty awesome. You can see. Yeah, the light is, the second 5 meters light is gone a little, as the brightness has gone down a little bit. So you can use 2 power adapters if you see the light is not too bright enough to run a 10 meter strip, to run 2 5 meter LED strips. I think the power adapter is not that sufficient. I'll show you the red light. This is the red one, this is the green one, this is the blue one, and these are the modes. The flash mode, this is the strobe mode, this is the fade mode, and this is the smooth mode. So these are the colors that you can interchange, and they can change from purple, blue to orange. And this is the brightness. I'll show you the brightness. This is to decrease the brightness. You can see the brightness is decreasing, and this is to increase the brightness. You can see the brightness is increasing. Only thing is that you have to take your remote and aim at this IR signal, indicator. So you increase the brightness with this remote, and that's all. So now what to do is how to stick these LED strip on your ceiling. Well, they have given you an adhesive, back adhesive, the double-sided tape that comes with it. I hope this adhesive is that strong that it can hold. Yeah, the adhesive is pretty strong. So what you do is you just peel the back adhesive and simply stick on your walls, on your ceiling, whatever you name it. So let's just do it. So as you can see, I have my LED strip stuck on my ceiling. Well, since the adhesive quality was not so good, therefore I had to use double-sided tape. Moreover, as you can see, I am using 2 power adapters of 60 watt each, the 2 black boxes. You can see those are the adapters, 2 adapters. Each adapter is running a 5 meter strip. Well, if you want to run a 10 meter strip as a whole with a 60 watt adapter, the light will not be of good brightness. Also, you will face a color issue. Therefore, I recommend that you use a 24 volts 5 ampere, that is 120 watt power adapter. Also, the remote uses IR signal. Therefore, you have to point it properly to the IR receiver attached with the LED driver. I'll show it to you. I'll show you the function with the remote. I'll pick blue. This is green, red. This is the white. I'll go on with the modes. Flash mode. The remote works more or less fine. When the remote sometimes stops working, even if you press your desired button a number of times, in that case I have to turn off the main switch and then turn it on again. I don't know why this happens, not every time but quite often. Other than that, it's a good product. Room looks kinda cool. You can purchase this product online. I'll give you the link in the description. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.